Every week, someone goes viral showing you a new way to clean your toilet. Millions of views, thousands of comments saying it works. Most of it is complete nonsense. Here are 5 of the most popular toilet cleaning hacks: why they don't work, what the chemistry actually says, and what to do instead. Number 1. Blue toilet tank tablets. These are everywhere. You drop one in your tank, the water turns blue, and every flush looks clean. Satisfying. But here's what's actually happening. Those tablets are made primarily of chlorine bleach, dye, fragrance, and binding agents. The blue water makes your bowl look cleaner than it is. You literally cannot see staining through blue water. That is not a cleaning feature. That is a disguise. More importantly, those tablets continuously release concentrated bleach directly onto your toilet's rubber flapper and internal seals. Rubber and bleach are chemically incompatible. Over weeks and months, the rubber degrades, the flapper warps, and your toilet starts running constantly, wasting liters of water every hour. Plumbers call this one of the most common and most preventable causes of toilet repair. What works instead? 1 cup of citric acid dissolved in warm water, poured into a drained tank once a month. It dissolves the mineral and rust deposits that actually cause staining, leaves no residue, and is completely safe for every component in your tank. Number 2. Coca-Cola in the bowl. This one refuses to die. The logic sounds reasonable. Phosphoric acid in cola dissolves limescale. Here's the problem. The phosphoric acid concentration in cola is roughly 0.05%. White vinegar sits at around 5% acetic acid, making vinegar approximately 100 times more acidic for cleaning purposes. To get any result from cola, you would need multiple liters sitting overnight. And even then, the sugar and caramel coloring leave a sticky residue that feeds bacterial growth. You are feeding the bacteria in your toilet while barely touching the limescale. What works instead? 2 tablespoons of baking soda followed by white vinegar. The fizzing releases carbon dioxide bubbles that physically agitate the ceramic surface, lifting mineral deposits from inside the microscopic texture of the porcelain. 30 seconds. 1 quick scrub. Done. Number 3. Mouthwash as a toilet cleaner. Pour mouthwash in, let it sit, scrub, flush. Your toilet smells minty fresh, and people assume that means it is clean. Mouthwash is formulated for soft tissue, your gums, tongue, and mucous membranes, not for hard surfaces, mineral deposits, or the bacteria that colonize ceramic and porcelain. The antibacterial ingredients, typically cetylpyridinium chloride or essential oils, work in your mouth and do almost nothing against bathroom surface bacteria. What you get is a toilet that smells like mouthwash for 20 minutes. Bacteria, staining, limescale, completely untouched. What works instead is hydrogen peroxide. Half a cup into the bowl, sprayed directly under the rim and into the jet holes. It kills bacteria by releasing oxygen that breaks down bacterial cell walls at a molecular level. It evaporates completely, leaving no smell and no residue. A 3% concentration from any pharmacy is all you need. Number 4. WD-40 on toilet stains. WD-40 genuinely removes certain stains from certain surfaces, but here's what happens next. It leaves an oily film on every surface it touches. On ceramic, that film attracts and holds new dirt and bacteria far more effectively than a clean surface. You remove one layer of staining and replace it with a coating that collects the next one faster. It also addresses nothing about the actual source of toilet staining, which is mineral buildup and bacteria in the jet holes and tank, spreading down with every flush. What works instead? Press toilet paper soaked in white vinegar against the jet holes under the rim for 30 minutes. Those holes are where brown rings, pink residue, and black buildup originate. Treat the source, and the bowl stays clean between cleans. Number 5. Bleach in the toilet tank. This is the most common and the most damaging. People reach for bleach because it feels strong, but bleach kills bacteria and breaks down organic matter. What it cannot do is dissolve minerals. The brown and rust-colored buildup inside your tank is almost entirely mineral deposits: calcium, magnesium, and iron from your water supply. Bleach has no chemical reaction with these. You can leave it all day, and the buildup will not move. Meanwhile, the bleach degrades every rubber component in your tank. You are damaging your toilet to achieve zero result on the actual problem. What works instead is citric acid. Shut off the water valve. Flush to drain the tank. Pour in citric acid dissolved in warm water. Leave 1 hour, then flush twice. No damage, no risk, and results bleach could never produce. The pattern across all 5 is the same. The hack looks like it works, smells like it works, or has enough views to seem credible. But none of them match the chemistry of what you are actually trying to remove. Toilet stains are minerals and bacteria. Minerals need acid. Bacteria need something that disrupts their cell structure. Blue dye, cola, and mouthwash do neither. Use the right chemistry. Your toilet will be cleaner, stay cleaner longer, and cost less than $1 a month.